So hey guys, once again welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, we are back with another video of a unique device. So today we have this Gamma M2 Max, as you can see in the box. So this is a unique flip phone and it is a feature phone obviously. And so today we are going to unbox this product and have a look at this device, and in last we will tell you whether it is worth or not. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then guys hit that subscribe button, press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get straight into the video. So as you can see the box, this is not the sealed one, and this is the review in it. So this is already opened. Let's go ahead and open the box. So firstly, let me just give you the box overview. So you can see the Gamma logo and the device image here, and in this side you can see it is saying flip it, and we have this in white color. So at the back you can see some specifications. We have powerful lithium polymer battery, and it has big torch, Bluetooth compatible, and we have 2.4 inches display, and we have 4 SIM card slots in this device. So this is again one of the USP of this device. So let's go and unbox this. Okay, so here is the device, and apart from this device, inside the box we get this power adapter, and this is not a USB adapter, and it has this micro USB port for charging. And apart from this, we also get this case. Wow, very nice. So as you can see, we get this case inside the box, which is really good thing. So always good to see these accessories inside the box. So let's keep these things aside. So and we will look at the device for the first time. So here is the device, and so here you can see the device. We have this in this white color, and it has this texture type of design. And here you can see we have 3 indicators for call, messages, and for battery, as we have seen in every unique handsets. And we have this 4 camera dummy, 4 cameras. One is actually real. So, and you can see we have flashlight, and these two are dummies. And at the this side you can see we have a speaker and this Gamma logo, and in this side we have this slider, and this is for this, I think, torch. You can see the torch, and we have this charging port and a microphone. And in this side we have nothing, and obviously this side nothing. So here is the torch switch, I think this is. So let me just power this. Yeah, so this is very convenient switch. So now inside, so now as you can see, this is a regular keyboard design, and but this is very large size keyboard. And so let me just power this on. So you can see Gamma. So you can see 4 SIM card status. It says insert SIM. So here's the menu. So we have file manager, camera, and audio player, fun and games, all the feature phone things. So I think it is Java compatible. I think I'm not sure. So in multimedia, we have image viewer. No, this is not Java compatible. So in the game section, we have F1 race snake. So let me display this F1 race for you. So this is very common game. We have played this game in several other devices as well. These kind of devices have these games. So these are very nice to see. Always welcome. And we have nothing special in this device. So we have one speciality which is 4 SIM slots. So let's look at the SIM slots. So you can see we have indicator for whenever we flip. So let me just show you the SIM slots. So here you go. So here we have this 4 slots as you can see. So and we have this big size speaker as you can see. So this is very nice, and I think battery is not user removable. So that is about it. And so overall you can see we have very good looking design. This white color is actually looking very good. This display is actually very big size display, and this keyboard is also very big keyboard, and this is a basic keyboard but very big in terms of size. So it is very easy to type things. So overall it is fun to have device, not very useful, but you can have this for fun. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, and make sure that you like this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you guys.